Understanding the phrase, in one's armor, a guide to English idioms. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the interesting phrase, in one's armor. This idiom might sound a bit medieval, but it's quite fascinating once you understand it. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. The phrase, in one's armor, is not a common idiom in modern English and might be confused with a knight in shining armor or similar expressions. However, if we break it down, it can provide a vivid metaphor. The word armor refers to the protective gear worn by knights. Metaphorically, being in one's armor could imply being in a state of defense or preparation against challenges or difficulties. Let's see how in one's armor might be used in everyday conversation. 1. Facing challenges. When she goes to negotiate, she's always in her armor, ready for any tough questions. 2. Emotional defense. After his last breakup, he's been in his armor, afraid to let anyone get too close. In these examples, the phrase is used to depict a state of mental or emotional readiness, similar to how a knight would wear armor for protection. There are other idioms and expressions that convey similar meanings. On guard, being alert and ready for difficulties. Fortify oneself, preparing oneself mentally or emotionally for a challenge. Understanding these can enrich your comprehension of English idioms and metaphors. We hope this exploration of the phrase, in one's armor, has been enlightening. Remember, idioms are a colorful part of the English language, and understanding them can really enhance your communication skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.